Hi everyone, I'm Rashid Slim back again with another video on event booking app home screen. So in the previous video series we have completed the upcoming events container which contains a list, and we have information like an image, date, bookmark icon, and some title and avatars. So in this video we are going to make this invite your friend container, and then nearby you all these row. So let's start work on it. So here we have uh, if we visualize it with the widgets of the Flutter. So here we have an container which contains two text and another button, and here is we have an image. So let's start with the container and put the text on it. So I'm going to the code of home screen. Okay, here we have upcoming container and invite your friend containers. We have a container which contains full width of the screen with some padding or margin on horizontally and vertically. In it we have child, and which we can put in a row, actually column. To copy this line below, I press Alt Shift and arrow down. We cannot use dollar sign directly in it, so we need to add backslash sign here. So let's save it to sync the changes into the Flutter Dart VM. Okay, here we have our invite your friends and get $20 for ticket, and here we have the invite button. So for that I will simply use invite button, and wrap it into a container, and set the decoration value to box decoration, and whose color is let's first find this color. If it's not there, what it's color like I simply name it invite button color. and save it. Actually I need to save all because I have 10 changes in another file too. Okay, so we have invite button here. Here we have text color white and some padding horizontally and vertically, and rounded corner. So here I will put the padding first. Okay, little bit more padding vertically, so I will make it 12. Okay, now need to make the corner rounded, so for that I will need to set the border radius. Okay, and I think I need to decrease the padding corner value, so I will make it 4, and next I need to make the color white. Okay, color is white. Now I need to um, decrease the size of it, and yeah, I need to decrease the size of the invite button. So by default size is 14, I will make it 12, and increase the font weight so it will be get some visibility in this container. Okay, and next we need to okay, what should we do here? We need to put some we need to make the container background color to like this. So I will select the container and see what's the color of this container. Okay, this container has this color with 16% opacity. Sometimes we don't have the idea of what should we name this color, so I don't know what would be the name of this color, so that's why I'm using the container invite the friend container to specify or categorize this color. So here I need to set the background color. So as I have done changes in two files, so I will select save all to sync both files in the .vm. Okay, so color is showing now, but I need to decrease the opacity. Zero point 0.16 f. Okay, so next we need to here we need to make this left line and show the image here as well. So first thing, I will align the content. Actually, I need to set this property here. Okay, so next we need to put the spacing between these texts and also apply the styling according to that. So invite your friend is text size is bigger than the other text, and it's bold too. So for that I will set the style property to text style and increase the size of the text. Byte val is 14, so I will set it 20 and weight to bold maybe. I think it's too much bold, so I will need to make it 600. Maybe need to decrease the font size. Okay, so what about 500? Okay, now it's reasonable. So next we need to put the spacing. Actually here I have used column, so in column the default behavior is center align, I think. So I need to make this start or cross axis alignment. What's its default value? Its default value is center, so I will set it to start. Okay, now it's reasonable. So now I need to decrease the color opacity of this get $20 for ticket and put the spacing above and below it